What comes to mind when you think of an excellent parent? Well, excellent parenting is a combination of a bit of all of these and much more. It is said that it's easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. Parents are the chief builders of a child's character. The manner in which a parent adds each block during the various stages of a child's life, from infancy to young adulthood, will help determine whether or not that child's structure remains firm throughout his or her lifetime. And as with building any firm structure, exceptional parenting begins with a plan.
In fact, an exceptional parent is one who has a plan for their child, one who is intentional, one who schedules, and one who seeks out support. And those are the ideas that guide exceptionalism in parenting. It is a parent who understands that they are not just called to be parents, but they're called to be effective in what they do.
Andre Miller is the interim head of the National Parenting Support Commission, NPSC, which is responsible for helping caregivers parent effectively. He identifies 4 characteristics of an exceptional parent.
You want to nurture the intellectual capacities of your child or your children. So recognize that they are bright. Recognize that they have the capacities to do anything and everything. Their brains are elastic, and so it can stretch. In staying connected, it's important for you to recognize your child's achievements. So every time the child moves from 10% in math to 12% in math, recognize that incremental adjustment and honor it and reward it. Encourage the children to participate in extracurricular activities, so the ISCF, the Students' Council, be a part, be involved, because in empowering your child via these clubs, you'll find that they build their leadership capacities, which helps in critical decision making in the teenage years. So the child will not want to take on maladaptive behaviors because they understand the role that they play. Structure is very important, especially in the adolescence years, the teenage years. As the child forms his or her own identity, you will find that they will push the envelope. So they'll want to go to parties. They will want to stay out a little later than usual. They'll want to talk on the cell phones beyond 2 o'clock in the morning. It is important for parents to understand that these are the little things that will help to shape them. So it's important for you to say to your child and guide your child in using the cell phone wisely. So if you stay up until 2 o'clock, that will have a deleterious impact on your performance the following day. If you stay out late at parties, it will have an impact on you.
One of the NPSC's programs which provides this kind of guidance is the Parent Mentorship Program.
It's community-based, and what I like about it is that it uses parents. So it's peer-to-peer support. They go into communities, they bring resources into their communities. A lot of time parents are afraid to go out to look help. So if the help comes to them, they will take it. And our parent mentors ensure that. They make them feel comfortable through their home visits. They also have chaperoneship for their children. So no longer will you find children hanging out by themselves without supervision, because we have to ensure that our children are safe in their own inhabitant, and the community has to be the persons who take care of them. And so one of the things we push under the mentorship program as well is a development of a community of care.
So, parenting a child, especially during the adolescent years, is said to be a lot like flying a kite. You release more string for each year they grow until they are able to fly confidently on their own. But throughout, you're holding onto the end of that string, staying connected. Let's not lose our children to the different forces that may blow them off course. Be an exceptional parent. Stay connected. If you need more information on parenting skills, contact the National Parenting Support Commission at 976-7977.